its drumbeat in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
You're one of our performers.
Yeah.
What can people expect from
A very, very energetic performance. I'm in another place in my career now where my performances are something I take very serious, and I feel like every performance is a chance to be remembered. You know what I mean? I'm going through videos of Brenda Fassie, and, you know, when I see them, I'm like, these people are not, you know, spoken of because of popularity only, but they were great at what they did, and that's why they were so popular. They would travel Africa and the streets would get packed just to get a glimpse of these stars because they were so great at what they do. And I feel like, you know, a lot of mediocre has been celebrated, and you know, it's time to take it somewhere. It's time to take this performance thing somewhere and give more. So that's where I am right now in my career. Like, I'm giving everything that I have. You know, so if you see me live, it's live. It's, you know what I mean? It's a show. You go home thinking, wow. You know what I mean? That's me.
Cool, Cassper. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, brother.